Today we have the MSI MPG B850M HDI Max Wi-Fi. This is a surprise. I didn't expect MSI to actually leave this in the box. I guess it's a surprise gift for us. So this is the Kingston Fury 16GB x 2 6400 MTS CL34 kit. And it's also white in color. I guess this is to cater to the theme of the motherboard itself. So let's not waste much time. Let's see what else there is in the box. These are the Wi-Fi antennas. And then we have SATA cables. We have the MSI Easy connector cables, MSI M2 screws, MSI Easy M2 Clip 2. We also have the MSI Easy M2 Clip 2 remover tool. Some documentation, stickers, and that's about it. So this motherboard, it's amazing. It's impressive. I love the accents on it. The I/O armor here comes with a very rainbow-like look to it. And then the retention clips. Many times we actually see retention clips coming in the color of black. But I think MSI has paid a lot of attention to detail here and made it white in color. So let's look at the connections on the board. We have the CPU fan header, the pump fan header, system fan header, a 5V ARGB header, and then you've got this nifty feature, the MSI Easy DG Debug LED. Right next to it, you'll notice the regular Easy Debug LEDs. And then you have the 24-pin. You've got a USB-C with 20GB support, the MSI Easy PCI release button, SATA ports, another system fan header, and the MSI Easy connection header. Following that, you have another 5V ARGB header, system fan headers, the front panel connector, USB 3.2 header, USB 9-pin connectors, multiple jumpers and pins, and right below the chipset, you will notice another 5V ARGB header. On the other end of the board, you will find the HD audio headers. And then moving up back again to the center of the board, right above this x16 slot, you will notice another system fan header. Here's a quick cameo of the Kingston Fury based RGB RAM kits. I love how the white color actually blends in with the motherboard. Now let's come back all the way to the top of the board. At the top of the board, you will only notice two other connectors, the 8-pin EPS socket connectors, and that's about it. Now we take a look at the MSI Easy M2 Shield Frozer. This innovative approach by MSI has made it very simple to access your storage drives. On this board, at the front, you will notice there are three M.2 connectors. The first one is the PCIe 5.0, the second one is a PCIe 5.0, the third one is a PCIe 4.0. A unique feature of this motherboard is that it's not unlike other MATX motherboards. Flip it to the back and you will actually notice that there is also another M2 PCIe Gen 4 connector at the back. Next up, let's take a look at the socket. This is the AM5 socket. It comes in a LGA configuration, unlike AM4 which comes in PGA configuration. As for the socket's VRM configuration, it comes in 14 plus 2 plus 1 with 80 amps of smart power stages, ensuring adequate supply and power to your processors. Now moving to the rear I/O configurations. You have a HDMI connector, 3 USB-Cs with 10GB per second connector, 4 USB-As which are also 10GB per second, and 4 USB-As with 5GB per second. And then you have the 5GB Ethernet port, the Wi-Fi antenna modules, and the audio connectors. So, I've told you all that it has PCIe 5.0 for its x16 slots and also two M.2 slots. For it to function at that, you will be required to run at least a Ryzen 7000 or Ryzen 9000 series processors. If you're using Ryzen 8000 series of processors, then you would not get PCIe 5.0, but you would get PCIe 4.0. I must say, I'm a huge fan of the MSI Easy PCIe release button. This is how it works. Like I told you all, this motherboard comes with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 M.2 slots. This is actually a very novel feature for MATX motherboards. Regular MATX motherboards either come in 1 or 2 or a maximum of 3. Unless you're spending absurd amounts of money on those motherboards, then you might find those with 4 M.2 slots. And if you're wondering how the easy M2 clips work, this is how it actually goes. Slot in the M.2 and you push it down, and then you just secure it with that clip by rotating it around. Likewise to remove it. As for the easy M2 clip 2, all you have to do is just plug in those M.2 modules and push it down. To remove them, just do it in the opposite direction. Enjoy these beautiful shots of this motherboard. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stick around and see you all in the next one.